Hello guys, Crash Car TV here, and today I'm going to show you guys my custom 164 Demolition Derby cars that I have made, including one of them being a bus. You guys might remember this one video that I made about a year ago, showcasing these custom derby cars. Now, well, here I am, and I have made some more. However, I have improved on, like, the styling and all that, the painting. Here is the first one that I actually made, a Demolition Derby police car, which is a 74, 75 Dodge Monaco, yeah, this was the first one that I made. I, bent it up and all that, yeah. The second one that I made was this old Cadillac. I've been losing my mind. Number 79. Now the cars that I do this to are like cars that I don't really care about, and yeah, or cars that, like, let's say die-cast police car, the siren, the little light bar broke off and I lost it. Yeah. Or some I just, yeah. This was the second one that I made. It says hit on the roof, love, and then hate. Yeah, that was the Cadillac there. The other one that I made was this Monte Carlo, I think? I can't remember. This one is a Hot Wheels brand. The other cars are either like Auto World or Greenlight Collectibles, which these are cars I've had for a long time. And this one just says, oh boy, 57. I attempted to draw a little crosshair on the roof. Yeah. Matter of fact, a friend of mine on Discord, I asked him if he could, help me kind of make it, or like give me ideas, and yeah. The colors, the number, and yeah, and then now here is the school bus that I made. I've had this for a long time. On the roof, ass. And then on the side it says wrecked. In case if, you guys can't see it, my handwriting is kind of bad. Now the reason why, there's a little backstory to why I made the number 77 was because a while back ago I wrote on the school bus I would go on, the number was 77. I don't know why I chose 77. Just when I was little, and it was like kind of the first number that came into mind. Yeah. And then the other side, overdrive, and yeah. Some, writing on it that, And then this one that I made today, a old I forget what the car is called, Ford Torino, that's what it's called. I made this one just today, actually. I decided to make it, black and blue, just because I don't really have a huge variety of colors, but, it's better than nothing, I guess. Yeah, I made this one today. Now how the base actually came off, because I, had to pin it up and all that, the back of it is actually kind of raised a little, basically. Yeah. And, yeah, those are my custom 1/64 scale derby cars. I hope that you like them, and if you want to see more, feel free to let me know.